Insurers are always happy to use New York law for two reasons. One, it's a little bit more pro-insurer than any other U.S. jurisdiction. That's not always true in Texas, and New York is becoming a little more even-handed in recent years. But second and more important, there's predictability. If you know what the law is and you know what the insurance policy says, you can look at the insurance policy in light of the law and make a guess, an educated guess as to the likely outcome if there's a dispute, which makes resolving your disputes with the insurer much easier. The problem that we're facing now in Texas is we can't predict what's going to happen because the Texas Supreme Court has become unpredictable at the moment. We're hoping that it was just an anomaly and they'll go back to the way they were before 2015, before this decision. But we just don't know yet. They haven't had time.